In front of me is Redmi Pad Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. You need to begin by accessing Settings and tapping on Notifications and Status Bar. Then tap on App Notifications and use blue switchers next to your apps to block notifications from them. To switch them back on, hit the same now grey ones. If you want to, you can also tap on any app available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!